Hello everyone, today we are going to do 8-bit subtraction. Now what we are going to do, we are going to feed all this data at 300 location. Now what I have done, I have taken the lower byte in R3, means I am subtracting 2 from 3. I have taken the first bit in R3, second bit in R5. Now the result will be 3 minus 2 will be 1, and that we are going to store, if you see, at R1. So if you see, R1 will be holding my result and R3 minus, means we are doing this operation R3 minus R5, and R1 will be holding my result. What is R3? R3 we have kept 3, and R2, R5 we have kept 2. Now we are just going to feed our value. Go to M, enter the address 3000, and then start giving the opcode 7B. The next will be, next we are going to feed 03, then 7D, then 02, then C3, then EB, then 9D, then F9, then 92, then 00. I think we have entered wrong. No, it is right. At 3009 means 0099 we have 00. Now go to 50, then 03, then F4, then 24, then 01, and lastly F9. We have entered this one, and go to one more address next to this will be 3010. Now entered. Now put your reset. Now once again we are going to go to memory and check we have entered the same data or not. Go to 3000, 7B 03, 7D 02, C3, EV 9D, F9 9200, 5003, F4 2401, F9, and one more space. Now we are going to just make it enter. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do the disassemble, means we are going to see the all the program will be written over here. Means go to D, write the starting address. Now we have taken the starting address 3000, just give 2 and give the address which is higher than 1 bit higher than the last bit. It means 10. We have taken 30, so 3010 it must be 3010, and put enter. Now you will be seeing move R3 comma R03 means we have entered the opcode and we are getting the program written, as well as the opcode is also there at the location. This I have simulated in the computer, so I have given the origin 00, but here I am executing on 3000, so it will be taking 3000. Now if you keep the spacebar, all the program will come. R502, then clear C, then move A comma R3, then A subtract A comma R5. From here you just go on C, then move C with 00 address, then JNC, then CPL, then add, then move R comma A. Now it will be end. Now this is the program that we have written. Now we need to execute. Go to N and give you starting address, and just go on pressing space bar. You will be executing till 3010. Now here, now just press enter. Now we need to terminate this. We have executed and we need to terminate, so put enter. Now go to R, because we are here we are going to check our value. Now where our result will be stored, this R1 will be holding my 01. R1 will be holding my 01. So I am going to go to R1. Just go on pressing, you will be encountering R0, then R1. See, R1 is now 01. Now this is R1 is 01. Now this time what I am going to do, I am going to change my R3 and R2. I am going to make 2 and I am going to make it 3. Now you will be seeing that answer is again 1, but this time because the magnitude is 1 and this time again it will be showing 1 only. So just go to, now press reset, just go to memory and put the address and where you want to change. See 7B we don't want to change. Now we want to replace 03 with 02. Now just write 02 and then 7D then 03. Now we have replaced our data. This is data that we have replaced. Now just go on pressing, all the program will be same only. Now enter. Now we need to execute. Go to N, go to starting, and now go to N, go to starting address. Now go on pressing till 3010. Now we have now let us enter because program will be executed. Now go to R and we are just going to look at R1. R1 it is showing FF, but it must show 01, means there is something that we have not done. Now let us go and check. Now go to M, now reset this one, go to M 3000, see what in program. 7B02, 7D03, C3, EB 9D, F9, 9200, 5003, F4, 2401, F9. Now till now I think we have done same thing. Now let us see on disassembling. Now go to D 3000 to 3010 and then put enter. This is R3, we have moved with 2, then R5 with 3, clear, then move, then subtraction it will come, then move, then JNC, then complement, then add, then move, then end. Now we have done I think good, and let us execute one more time. Go to N and just put your starting address and just keep on till 30 A B. Oh, last time we have not executed properly. Go to, now just press enter. Now if you go to R, now definitely the answer will come. Go to R1. Last time we have not went to 3010. Last time we have entered I think 300A only. Now see, R1 is 01 and the answer is 01. Suppose you want to see this carry, the borrow, then we need to insert one more resistance and that count will give our the carry part. So this is all about the 8-bit subtraction.